On behalf of the Colorado State University community in Fort Collins, Colorado, I'd like to invite you to study with us during summer session. CSU is one of the top research universities in the country, set in one of the best college towns in America. As Colorado's land-grant institution, we are committed to access and academic excellence.
My favorite aspect about the summer session is that it is summer in Fort Collins.
Fort Collins is wonderful in the summer. It slows down a little bit from the regular school year, and there are myriad activities.
I love CSU in the summer. It's my favorite time of year. That's why I love to teach in the summer. We're a Tree City USA campus, and so our landscaping and our grounds are beautiful, and it's a way to enjoy the university when it's a little bit more quiet. I also love the cadence of the class. It runs faster, and in my opinion, that mimics more what a professional environment would be like.
Summer classes are offered in the classroom and research facilities on campus, as field experiences or internships, and at the CSU Mountain Campus or through education abroad. Online courses are also available, so learning with CSU can take place anywhere.
The first class that I took on summer session was called NR220, which was collecting data on natural resources, which was up at the Mountain Campus. So I lived there for a month, and it was super immersive. We did school all day, and most of our school was outside, which was really fun and perfect for the summer.
The best part of getting to teach Colorado's environmental history at our Mountain Campus was really being able to immerse students in the very places that we were learning about.
If you can get some type of practical experience that complements the subject that you're studying, so much the better. The complementarity between actual hands-on experience and what you would learn in a classroom, I think, is really powerful.
We can condense information because of a 4-week session or an 8-week session, and so it allows us to condense and change up the information. And plus, for me, with bugs are out in the summer, so I can get them outside.
So we usually are in a really small room, and we all sit in a circle, and we really can have these great, intimate conversations about the topic at hand. And that really allows us to connect and to have great seminar discussions.
So Aura has a number of resources available for students to help them connect with research experiences during the summer and also beyond. We also work with students to help them find faculty researchers at CSU who hopefully can provide them with summer opportunities, because that is traditionally one of the best times to engage in research, when you have more time and you can really dig deep into a research project.
There's a lot less of me talking at students and a whole lot more of them learning by doing activities. In the summer session, like, everyone's there in it together, and I get to sort of bebop around between the students.
I think the biggest difference is kind of the flexibility with your schedules. Like, you can take 4-week classes and you can take them in the beginning of the summer or the end of the summer, the middle, and then you have 8-week classes or 12-week classes, and so it's kind of nice to have that flexibility.
It's not like it'll take it away, your summer away, you still have your summer. It's a lot more relaxed. I would say way more relaxed than what you just came out of. Spring semester is usually very hectic.
The 4-week session was the leadership course that I took. I thought summer was going to be overwhelming considering I had a long school year, but it wasn't as overwhelming as I thought it was going to be.
And it was the only thing that we had to focus on too. Just this class, so we can really hone in on just this subject.
And having multiple different things to use as well, right? We had the VR, we had the cadavers, and we had lecture as well. And we're getting all this information about the same topic in all these different, these different ways. So you can kind of connect it a lot of different ways.
It is double the pace, but a lot of times it's the only thing that students are actually focused on. If I help you understand something, you get an aha moment, I get an aha moment of being able to help you with that.
Institutional research tells us that students do better when they take summer courses. Their term grade point averages tend to be higher than fall and spring semesters, and graduation rates are also higher. Students can take advantage of summer session to get caught up on credits or even get ahead and graduate earlier.
This past year, I found out that through the CSU summer session, because of that, I was able to graduate a lot earlier than expected. So because of the CSU summer session, I can now graduate a whole year early.
It also gives you a jump on your degree if you're trying to graduate early. taking summer courses is definitely a way you can help get some of those credits.
Yeah, and just like making new connections with new people, creating those memories.
I picked up a second major my sophomore year of college, and I think that summer classes have helped me graduate on time through a 4-year program, which I really wanted.
Sophomore year, I added a minor of ASL. Because I added the minor, I decided that I needed to take summer classes because I wanted to graduate in 4 years and walk with my friends and be able to graduate and celebrate with them.
Learn more at Summer.Colostate.EDU. We look forward to seeing you in the summer.